Hi there, students. Vocation. Vocational. So vocation is the noun, vocational is the adjective. Although I believe that these two words, the meaning changes slightly. Let's see, if you refer to something as your vocation, it's the type of work that you feel a passion to do. It's something that really suits you. Yeah, it's the right job for you. So I think originally this was particularly used to talk about a religious calling. Yeah, the calling of an individual by God for a religious career. So his vocation was to become a priest. But we use vocation more generally. Yeah, an aptness for a certain type of work, something that you feel this is what you want to do. So I think only some people have a vocation to do a particular job. If you've met people, I'm sure they've always had a vocation to be a doctor from a very early age. This is what they always wanted to be. It's like a special urge, a special calling or predisposition to for one particular career. Yeah, and this is the idea of a vocation. Now, you could also say, yeah, this job is my vocation. It's what calls me. Now, vocational as an adjective, we very often use this word to talk about vocational training, vocational courses. These are courses for that provide people with skills and knowledge that prepare you for a particular job. Yeah, maybe the people attending these courses don't necessarily feel a vocation for these jobs, but vocational training. Yeah, this is providing practical skills, practical knowledge, which will be useful to you in the job market. Okay, so I don't know, teaching somebody carpentry, that's a vocational skill. Yeah, it's teaching them a practical skill. Plumbing, yeah, to become the skills you need to become a plumber. This is very definitely vocational training again. So vocational counselling, giving some careers opportunities and showing somebody the things that they might well be able to do, that their skills or qualifications are appropriate for. Okay, so skills or education directed at a particular occupation, the particular skills that you need. So, for example, learning to be a chef, yeah, that would be vocational training. Learning how to make clothes or to work in the fashion industry, that again would be vocational training. Yeah, training in a skill or a trade that you're going to pursue as a career. Vocational students, vocational school. So, notice, a vocation, this is what you feel called to do. I just got to do this. I've got a vocation to do this. Yeah, let's see, from the origin, it comes from vocare, okay, or vocatio, to effectively to call. Yeah, so you're being called to summons, yeah, to invite. So a vocation is something that it invites you to do it. Yeah. As to formality, a vocation sounds a little bit literary. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation or above. Vocational, this is much more technical and business, and I would give it again a 6 in formality, but you could use it anywhere, I think. Okay, so vocational training. Did you ever do vocational training? At school we had very little vocational training at all. I think all the vocational training I've had has been on the job. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vocation and Vocational.